Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can choose a narrator voices on your Windows 11. So if you often use a narrator and you bored by the default voice, you can try to change it. So first thing to do, you can click on settings, start icon, and go to the settings and click on accessibility and go to the narrator. Here, in order to enable narrator, you can turn this on first, or you can press Windows logo key, Control, and enter to turn narrator on or off. So Windows key, Control, and enter. You need to turn this on in order to enable a shortcut. And here, the narrator voice, under the narrator's voice, you can choose a voice. By default, is Microsoft Zira. Desktop English United States. This is on my system, and Microsoft David. This is the two default. There's a Zira and David. And here, as you can see, I download the German version like Steven, Kaja, Heda, and also Andika from Indonesia, and so on. So you can choose what is the best voice for you. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click this button below. See you in the next video.